Hi, I am Frontierless. I'm an individual. Okay. I came here with some ideas. I didn't have anything that I was specifically going to do. I started out with a Unity application that has space and planets and that type of thing. And one of the young ladies that gave a talk, her name is Sarah Pearson, and it was on planets that may have life on it. And I kind of had like a wow kind of moment. Suppose we could take the data that was being fed and put it into virtual reality models, right? And then I just remember the problem that I had when I was developing it. You didn't see this a second ago, but now you see Earth and you see me having to name all these things and set up these strings. So suppose we had something that could do that automatically for us. And since we have about 5 billion years of doing this until our sun goes major nova, right? We're going to be able to run through these models yearly, if not monthly, right? So if you could split this between the virtual reality of all these different areas where you think life might be, and you train a tool like Clarify to specifically look for points, you could take that with a scientist, and as he's going through it and snapping different shots, he could be actually sending that out to a website where children in schools and anybody around the world could actually see what the scientist is looking at and how the things are being labeled. So that's what I came up with. Where's my mouse? So I decided to see if the virtual reality image would work with Clarify, and it does. How to get to my GitHub page is through the space apps. I put it right there, and it basically opens up, and I have instructions for people how to use it and how to set it up. So I want to give credit to Clarify. They have an API that I was able to use within seconds. The encoding was required because I'm not going to be able to send it to a website when I'm in a virtual environment, right? So I'm going to have to encode that. Their API works that way, right out of the box. And I just, for the sake of people who might want to take a look at this, I gave you a link to the NPM package. The Angular Universal 4 seed that I'm using, and Unity. So I have here some text. This project helps solve a very big problem. The people of Earth in 5 billion years will have to live on other planets. We need tools to help us. Creativity, it pulls together data models from space, models in virtual reality, artificial intelligence, augment understanding allows people from all over the world to share the knowledge. The project gives access to knowledge to people from all over the world. Sustainability, the project is looking for members. I did this thing by myself. Little humor. And this is Clarify. This is the app. So these are the actual pictures that I took from the virtual reality with the planets. And if my website is working, you'll see the text come up. I don't know why it's not working, but that's what I have. Yeah? Yeah, my network went down.
Yeah, it's the most terrifying thing in the world is a live tech demo.
Oh, it's back up.
So I guess my quick question is the goal to use the VR and the AI to discover planets that could potentially support human life?
Yes. I think if you take a look at some of the work that people are doing within cities, they have images that doesn't look like a city at all, right? So eventually, you're going to be able to get that same type of imagery to coming in. There's technology that you guys haven't invented yet that's going to be able to capture things and interpret and understand that information and actually create the models for you, right? So you're going to have a VR type solution where you just go out and pull these different things in. So I put in here TRAPPIST. Maybe you might want to look at the TRAPPIST model, right now. So you just call for TRAPPIST. All these technologies, there's a synergy, right, between virtual reality, web services, the web, everything is coming together. It's just, I've been doing this a long time, and I still get amazed. So, yeah.
Thanks very much. Thanks.
You're welcome.